Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Today we're going to look at money tree, the smart contract with a twist. This is something new for me and it looks good. But let's run through it and see what's your thoughts on it and make sure to leave comments and concerns so we can look further into it. So the overview. Hybrid decentralized platform which aims to generate BNB to holders daily while staking BNB. Unlike other platforms, this rewards long-term investors, diamond hands. The longer you stay, the more BNB you generate. Now we've seen a lot of platforms like this, where the longer you stay, the more you generate. But most of them relied on people coming in with money and leaving to generate profits. So where is the twist in this one? So their goals to generate BNB from diversified investment strategies as the money tree grows for existing as well as new holders. So they're going to diversify. So are we just relying on people coming in and out? As the platform grows, add other tokens for further diversification. Should I be adding other coins? Well, we'll get to my opinion on that at the end. The description. When BNB is transferred into a platform, an entry fee is paid, and a part of the fee is deposited into an investment pool. So here the twist is coming. A team of investors will use the funds in the investment pool using a variety of trading bots to generate revenue. All trading bots, that the only thing they're going to use? What about staking? All earnings from the trading are paid out to the holders, distributed proportionately to the amount they hold on the platform. So if you hold 1%, you'll share 1% of the profit. If you hold 10% of the total value, you'll share 10% of the profit. Basically, so the more you hold, the more you can earn. There is no lock-in period, and holders may withdraw their funds at any time. However, a withdrawal fee applies. I'm fine with the withdrawal fee. The main thing here for me is my funds is available at any time. If I put it in now and I'm not happy in 10 minutes time, I can go and withdraw my funds. Yes, I will lose due to the withdrawal fee, but at least you know you have access to your funds the entire time. So the fees. 10% fees apply to all entries and withdrawals and are used as follow. So it's 10% when you come into the program and it's 10% when you leave the smart contract. So it's a 20% deficit you need to make up. So in my opinion, we're looking at the long-term option here. Because before I want to leave, I want to know I've made at least my 20% back. So the fees distribution, 5% distributed to current holders. So every time someone comes in or leave, 5% of the 10% gets distributed to everyone who's still in the contract. 3% added to the investment. So they're taking 3% of the 10% and putting it into the trading bots as mentioned above. 2% administrative fees, marketing and development. Now, we've seen a lot of companies taking administrative fees and marketing, but we haven't seen much happening. But currently, I've seen a lot of things happening. This 2% is been used for the right reason. So, my opinion on money tree. We should keep on earning money even if funds stop coming in. Or let me put it this way, we should still be earning even if there's no new money coming into the contract, because 3% of the 10% is used in an investment pool, which is going to be trading for us. And as there's profits, there's no guarantee on the amount of profits there's going to be. We should see our earnings increase. The second thing is, I hope they're doing spot trading. The reason why I'm saying spot trading is it's crypto against crypto. So if the market drops, crypto drops in value. But trading the crypto against crypto, you'll increase the crypto at least. And that will be a long-term strategy, which means this contract will be able to last a very long time, in my opinion. And my final opinion is, don't look at new coins at this stage. Yes, it's not my contract, I know, but I would like it to run at least 6 months to a year on one coin. For example, the Binance coin as it is, before looking at different coins. So overall, I like this contract. I'm into it. I do see the potential because we're not relying on crowdfunding or new funds to come in. As long as the investment pool do their thing and is profitable, we should see profits all the time. There's no guarantees on what kind of profits we'll see. It might be nothing today, it might be a few percent tomorrow. Who knows? But I do like this contract with a twist. What's your thoughts on it? Leave your comments and concerns, and have a great one.